Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another continuation of a haircut guard size series. So we got a number 7 today, which is 7/8 of an inch, 22 millimeters. The brand clipper I use is Wahl. And yeah, here we go. We're going to do 7, we're going to do it closed. See, opens just a little longer, closed. Just give it a number 7 regular. I try to let my hair grow up about an extra half week or so maybe you can see a difference, who knows. So again, as always, go across, since it's all one even length, across, back, forth, side to side, diagonally, whatever way, you know, it's all one even length, you can't mess it up. So without further ado, here we go. There you go, you can see the hairs fall this time. Those extra few days of letting it grow out, as opposed to my earlier videos where it doesn't really look like it's cutting because I don't give it enough time to grow as much, even though it is cutting. Again, side to side, back to front, front to back, whatever way. All one even length. Can't mess it up. So here's number 7 in length. Not styled. Still for my hair, at least on my hair, I can't really style it. Maybe if your hair stands up a little more, you could probably style. But yeah, go around my big old head. Maybe it'd look a little better if my skin, if my hair was skin faded. Right now, it looks a little flat. But yeah, here it is, number 7. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.